The present Llantysilio Hall replaces an earlier building that was built in 1723. Through marriage, the hall passed into the hands of Thomas Jones. The last of the Joneses died in 1820, without a will to be found. Several Joneses laid claim to the estate without success. In 1822, a Catherine Jones of Oswestry, known as Kitty Taiety, and a housekeeper of the local vicar, claimed to have had a dream that the lost will had been buried with the deceased Jones and was hidden beneath his head. She believed that this would see her inherit the property. In the small hours of the night, a group of some 8 people, including a lawyer and a surgeon, broke into the tomb of the deceased Jones, throwing his body onto the ground, but sadly no will was to be found. Badly frightened by a sudden noise in the church, the coffin was dropped and the intruders fled. The whole group was charged with all manner of offences. The will has never been found to this day.